Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do an activity where we are testing whether the food item contains oil or not. So here you can see we are taking an food of a piece of food, okay, then we are placing it on a paper and folding the paper and we are pressing it. When you press and later on when you open the paper, what do you see? If we see, okay, if we see a patch, okay, if we see a patch, then that patch is called as oily patch, and if we see through it, it appears transparent. Similarly, if we take another food item, okay, on a paper and press it properly, and then we open again, if we see same patch like substance, then we call it as a stain or oily patch. Okay, now we can test it whether we can test this whether which type of food is oily and which type of food does not have oil. So let us do a test here. Here you can choose the food item from the drop down, then click the press paper and reset with another food item. So let us start with the experiments. So here we have a list of food items. So I'm pressing here the drop down. So we have potato, cucumber, bread, boiled rice, boiled gram, peanuts, butter and coconut. So let us start with first potato. So I have taken a piece of potato. Now I am pressing the paper over it. Okay. Now later on I will check whether the stain is there. So I don't find any stain. It means potato does not contain any amount of fat. So there is no stain over it. Now let us check with boiled rice. Now I have boiled rice. So I press the paper. Then I check with the stain. Oops, here also rice does not contain any amount of fat. So no oil stain. So let us check with the peanut. Now I have peanut over a paper. Now what I am doing is pressing the paper. Then I am checking for the stain. I found the stain. So what does it indicate? Peanut contains fat. The paper is translucent. Stain is visible. Now let me check with one more, that is coconut. I have a piece of coconut. I press the paper. Then I check for the stain. Yes. So what does it mean? Coconut contains fat, because I find a stain, a translucent oil stain on the paper. So was this information useful? Did you find this activity interesting? Subscribe the channel, like our video and share with your friends. Till then, take care.